Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create and add a click track in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You have your audio record option right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with adding a click track. The first thing I'm going to do is to open up the audio record option right here. So I'm going to tap on audio record. This is going to open up this new recording menu right here, where we can get started recording by clicking the big red circle at the top of the screen and so on. So basically guys, now let's see how to add the click track. Basically the click track is going to be our tempo that we're using when we are playing a track. So this is going to be addable by using this triangle right here that you can see next to the record button. If you turn it off, then this triangle will not be blue, but if you want to turn it on and hear the clicking when recording yourself so that you have your tempo, you have to turn it and tap it to turn it blue, and now it's on. So here in the upper right corner you can click the settings icon and you can set your metronome and count it, how much you want it and so on. As you can see here, you can select if no sound, click sound, whatever. Here you can select what count you want, and now once you start recording yourself guys, you can set the tempo to select how many clicks you want, and this is how to get started with adding the click track. So start recording yourself and you'll be able to hear it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.